I've been doing this parenting thing for a long time, both personally and professionally. We all make mistakes, and that's perfectly okay. It's part of the journey of being a parent. That's why I'm here today to talk to you about 10 common parenting mistakes you might be making without even realizing it. These are things that can easily slip under the radar but have significant effects. These mistakes can impact your child's development and well-being in ways you might not expect. So let's dive in and explore these together and see how we can improve our parenting skills. Number 1. Overpraising your child. Praising your child is important, but too much praise can be detrimental. While it's natural to want to encourage and uplift them, overpraising can have unintended consequences. Constant praise, especially when unearned, can lead to a sense of entitlement. Children might start to expect praise for every little thing, which can hinder their growth and resilience. Instead of saying, "You're so smart," when they ace a test, try, "I'm proud of you for studying hard and doing your best." This emphasizes the importance of effort and perseverance. Praise their effort and actions, not just the outcome. This helps them understand that hard work and dedication are what truly lead to success. Number 2. Not setting boundaries. Kids need boundaries, like a fence around a playground. These boundaries provide a sense of security and structure. It keeps them safe and lets them know what's expected. When children understand the limits, they can explore and grow within those safe confines. Without boundaries, kids can feel lost and anxious. They may struggle to understand what is acceptable behavior and what isn't. Set clear rules and follow through with consequences. Consistency is key in helping children learn and respect boundaries. Don't be afraid to say no to your kids. Saying no teaches them that they can't always get what they want. It's okay for them to be disappointed sometimes. Disappointment is a part of life and helps build resilience. Number 3. Comparing your child to others. Every child is unique with their own strengths and pace of development. Comparing them to others sends the message they're not good enough. Celebrate their unique qualities and accomplishments. Help them focus on their own personal growth. Number 4. Not listening to your child. We all live busy lives, but it's crucial to truly listen to our children. Put down your phone, make eye contact, and give them your undivided attention. Let them know their thoughts and feelings matter. When children feel heard, it strengthens your bond and helps them feel secure. Number 5. Being inconsistent with rules. Parenting is exhausting, and sometimes it's easier to give in. But inconsistency sends mixed messages to our children. It's confusing and frustrating for them. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to discipline. Number 6. Not allowing your child to fail. We want to protect our children from pain and disappointment, but failure is an essential part of learning and growth. Shielding them from failure prevents them from developing resilience and problem-solving skills. Let them make mistakes and experience natural consequences. It's how they learn and grow. Number 7. Overscheduling your child. We want our children to have every opportunity, but overscheduling can lead to stress and burnout. Kids need downtime to relax, play, and be creative. Make sure your child has enough unstructured time in their week. It's essential for their well-being. Number 8. Not modeling good behavior. Children absorb everything they see and hear, especially from their parents. If we're constantly yelling or being disrespectful, they'll learn that's how to behave. Actions speak louder than words. Be the example you want them to follow. Number 9. Ignoring your child's feelings. All feelings are valid, even the unpleasant ones. Dismissing their feelings sends the message it's not okay to feel what they're feeling. This can lead to them suppressing their emotions. Acknowledge, validate, and help them cope with their emotions in healthy ways. Number 10. Not spending quality time together. Our children crave our attention and need to know they're a priority. It doesn't have to be elaborate. Simple activities like eating dinner together or going for a walk can make a big difference. Be present, engaged, and make memories together. Parenting is a tough job, and there's no instruction manual. By recognizing these common mistakes and taking steps to correct them, we can create a more loving and supportive environment. Remember, it's never too late to make a change. Every day is a new opportunity to be a better parent. You got this.